Welcome back and welcome to Geometry Lesson 15. This is Skill 1. We're going to find a pair of angles, then describe their relations. Since it's a pair, every time we will only take 2. Let us look at angle 1 and angle 2. If you see angle 1 and angle 2, and they have this right angle symbol here, that means when angle 1 and angle 2 we add their angle measures, we will always get 90 degrees. You might want to say, wait a minute, I don't know exactly what each angle measure is, but it's okay because it is given to us this angle, 2 angles added together, this pair added together become 90. If it's a pair added together become 90, by definition, angle 1 and angle 2, they are complementary angles. It's done. Okay? Alright. I think we can add 8 here. Now, if this, I'm coloring it blue. Oh, once I color blue, that part blue disappears. So I'm just going to add this. It is given to us this is 90 degrees, right? If this is 90 degrees, this is also 90. Why? Because I'm going to use a different color, let's say this red. Because did you see I'm coloring this really red here? And this red line is straight. If it's straight, half of this angle is 90, the other half is also 90. Okay? And by this, we also know measure of angle 7 plus measure of angle 8 is also 90 degrees. Relationship, angle 7 and angle 8, supplementary. Angle 1 and angle 2. Excuse me, that's just verbal typo. I meant to say complementary. Okay, it's complementary. Supplementary means when they add together, they become 180. Complementary is they add together become 90. So now we found 2 pairs of complementary angles. Now, I'm not going to do it all. I will leave this to you. So I want you to tell me, of course I can't hear you, but I hope if you are my students in class, maybe we can talk about it in class. Can you tell me what is the relationship between angle 3 and angle 4? What is the relationship between angle 5 and angle 6? If you want, you can also simply just type in the comment box, let me know. Okay? Alright, we took care of this. Now, I know it's getting a little bit busy here. I'm trying to erase some, make it better for you. And let us look at, I'm just going to color this one white because it's one straight line. Okay, our next step is we're going to find some vertical angles. Remember, today everything is a pair, 2 by 2 and 2 by 2. Okay, everything is a pair. So we're going to find a pair. They are vertical angles. All right, let us look at this yellow straight line and the magenta. Yellow and magenta, did you see angle 3 and angle 8? They're actually a situation like this. Yellow and magenta. I'm just going to use white, both white. And I'll just give you a quick example, okay? And a quick example like this. If I have angle like this, these 2 angles, they are vertical angles. I'm going to call it 1 and 2. And the 2 lines intersect each other, vertical angles. Okay? Vertical angles. That's the name, that's the relationship. And also, very soon you will hear that a vertical angle is congruent. So we find angle 3 and angle 8. I'm going to erase it. They're done. Angle 3 and 8, vertical angles. 3 and 8, they're vertical angles. And more, did you see 2 and 6? Why is it 2 and 6? Because it's a yellow line and a white line gives me 2 and 6. The vertical angles. Okay, I'm going to pause here. We have more vertical angles. Once again, if you want to type in the comment box, or tell me it in class, and you're welcome to participate. Can you find more vertical angles? Remember they're pair. Okay, all right. Last one, I'm going to erase some lines here. Erase. Okay. Okay, that looks better, right? Okay, that's much better, much simpler, because now we're going to find another pair. This time when these two add together, they are going to have a 180 degrees. Siblings in Geometry Kingdom, they're giving 180 geometry dollars to spend. All right, situation like this, they're called a supplementary angles. I hope you're taking notes with me. For supplementary angles, I have a lot. I have angle 1 and angle 4. See that? Because the straight line is white line. I have angle 4 and angle 5. Okay? All right. They're linear pair supplementary. And because this is yellow, so these two guys, yellow straight line, and these two guys, white straight line. And I have two more. I have to tell myself not to say anymore. I'm going to leave the opportunity to you so that you can practice, all right? I'm not going to take away this opportunity from you. So can you find two more supplementary angle? Okay, they have to be in pairs. All right. One last time, all here. Can let you go until we say one last time. Did you see a pair of vertical angles? I hope you see I saw two of them. That's 1 and 5, 4 and 7. By the way, we don't have a complementary angles. They're in pair now. We had them earlier. All right. Okay. That's how we find angle pairs and describe their relationships. Happy learning.